June 1st is a day filled with diverse celebrations, from exploring America's scenic trails and prairies, to raising awareness about the vital coral reefs. It's a time to honor children's rights globally, commemorate the rich histories of Kentucky and Tennessee, and engage in activities that promote environmental conservation and cultural heritage. June 1st marks National Trails Day, an annual event celebrated across the United States, that encourages everyone to hit the trails, and appreciate the country's vast network of public paths. Organized by the American Hiking Society, this day is dedicated to promoting the conservation of hiking trails, and the enjoyment of outdoor activities. Whether you're a seasoned hiker, or a beginner, National Trails Day offers a plethora of guided hikes, trail cleanups, and outdoor events to participate in. From the Appalachian Trail on the East Coast, to the Pacific Crest Trail on the West, the beauty and diversity of America's landscapes are yours to explore. Remember to bring your hiking boots, a sense of adventure, and a commitment to preserving these natural treasures for future generations. You can find out more travel events on June 1st and other days, on our website. Follow the links in the description below. June 2nd is a day of diverse celebrations, from the historical significance of Italy's Republic and American Indian Citizenship Day, to the cultural vibrancy of Telangana, and the culinary joy of National Rotisserie Chicken Day. Each event offers a unique opportunity to explore heritage, honor traditions, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. On June 2nd, Italy bursts into patriotic fervor, as it celebrates Republic Day, or Festa della Repubblica. This day marks the historic 1946 referendum, when Italians voted to abolish the monarchy in favor of a republic. Festivities are grand, especially in Rome, where a military parade marches down Via dei Fori Imperiali, accompanied by the president's address, and the Italian Air Force's breathtaking aerial display of green, white, and red smoke. Across the country, cities host concerts, exhibitions, and fireworks, making it a vibrant day to immerse oneself in Italian culture and history. June 3rd is a day of diverse celebrations, from the global promotion of cycling on World Bicycle Day, to the cultural festivities of Isabel Provines, and the communal spirit of the June bank holiday in Ireland, and Western Australia Day. Additionally, the natural wonder of Chimborazo Day invites adventurers to connect with Ecuador's stunning landscapes. Ireland celebrates the June bank holiday on the first Monday of June, making June 3rd part of a long weekend filled with various activities. Towns and cities across Ireland host festivals, sporting events, and community gatherings. It's a popular time for families to enjoy outdoor activities, visit local attractions, or take short trips to the scenic countryside. This holiday marks the unofficial start of summer in Ireland, with vibrant celebrations and a lively atmosphere throughout the country. June 4th is a day filled with diverse celebrations, from the inventive spirit of Shopping Cart Day, to the culinary delights of National Cheese Day. In Hungary, National Unity Day provides a deep dive into historical reflection and cultural pride, while Audacity to Hope Day inspires individuals to embrace their dreams with courage and optimism. In Hungary, June 4th is National Unity Day, commemorating the Treaty of Trianon, signed in 1920, which significantly impacted Hungary's borders and population. This day is dedicated to fostering national unity, and remembering the historical significance of the treaty. Hungarians participate in cultural events, memorial ceremonies, and educational programs, that reflect on the country's history and promote a sense of solidarity. For visitors, it's an opportunity to engage with Hungary's rich cultural heritage, attend traditional performances, and understand the historical context that shapes modern Hungary. June 5th is a day of diverse celebrations, from the energetic participation in Global Running Day, to the serene adventure of Hot Air Balloon Day. Jerusalem Day offers a deep dive into historical and cultural heritage, while Constitution Day in Denmark highlights democratic values and national pride. The International Day for the Fight Against Illegal Fishing underscores the importance of conservation and sustainability. Hot Air Balloon Day on June 5th is dedicated to the magic and adventure of hot air ballooning. This day commemorates the first successful manned hot air balloon flight in 1783 by the Montgolfier brothers. Across the world, hot air balloon festivals and events take place, offering breathtaking views and a serene flying experience. Travelers can take part in hot air balloon rides, enjoying panoramic vistas of landscapes, cityscapes, and natural wonders. It's an unforgettable way to experience the beauty of a destination from above, floating gently with the wind. If you like our content, could you please subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon? This will be of great help to the development of our channel, as we are going to provide you huge amount of interesting information about different places all over the world, and more.